Hi everyone, today we'll be taking you through one of our new features called as Instagram Shopping. Now to understand what is Instagram Shopping, it is a new chatbot developed by our DevOps team to assist mostly the e-commerce players which operate their business through Instagram. Now what happens using this new feature which is called Instagram Shopping, you can create your own shop and add your products, and you can showcase it on your Instagram DM, and your customers can make a purchase through the same chatbot or the e-commerce store on Instagram. Now I'll be taking you through the steps of how to set up your Instagram shop using SmartBot dashboard. So here we already have a chatbot which is has been developed by our team. I'll take you through the steps one by one. Now the first step what you have to do is you have to sign up on our account and create your chatbot. So how to sign up on our account and how to create a chatbot, for these two steps I'll give you a video link in the description below which you can follow and create your own sign up on our account and create your own chatbot. And the third step involves merging your or integrating your Instagram account to SmartBot. For that as well, I'll share you a link in the description and you can follow the same. So how the flow structure works, or how do we define the flow to set up your own Instagram shop, I'll show you now. So here, as you can see, there are multiple options here. What you have to do is just choose this option, carousel with buttons. Now this option will help you to the first step to set up your shop on Instagram. Now what you have to do is click on the edit question button. You can rename it. Now what you have to do is you have to just add the product image here. And just add the name. Now if you have more than one product or two products, you can just add one more slot and just upload the image. You can just save it now. Now what you have to do is add this option, order items. Now this is the cart option. Now go to edit question. You can select your currency, like if your business is in India, you can select INR, or if it's in Australia, you can select Australian dollar or whatever. Now what you have to do is you can just, if you're suppose selling t-shirts or oversized tees, you can just enter the options. And just save it. That's all. Now what you have to do is click on this cart option icon which displays add items. Just add the product image again. You can pass a item ID on your own, which this item ID can be captured in your database, or you can put a predefined item ID as well. You can put a price and just put a redirect URL. So suppose if a person wants to view the product on a website or on a link, you can redirect him or her to the same. And just if you have more than one product, you can add one more slot. You can just save this. Now the first option where it is carousel with buttons, where it shows pick an item of your choice, this option can act as a category. So suppose you're selling multiple hand accessories such as bracelets or watch, you can create a category here and then drive the customer to different products, and the product can be created in choose items. So now what you have to do is go to edit question in the option pick an item of your choice or carousel with buttons. You have to change this jump. Select choose item. Now whenever the person clicks on this watch, he'll go to the cart option of this product. You can also rename the cart. So suppose if you want the customer to know that there's some discount on this particular products, you can just rename it to 20% off on men's wristwatch. Now what you have to do is, there is an option of statement. So after adding the cart option, you have to add this option called as statement. So in this you can mention, suppose after the customer has added the product in their cart and they want to make a purchase of the product, so you can just pass on a statement. So you can just pass on a statement alerting the customer that the product has been added to the cart and the payment link is being generated. Now how do you add the payment link to this flow? Just choose this option called as dynamic question. So what you have to do is, we already have a link or a API. Just click on edit question. In this empty space, just paste it here. You can change the statement as per your wish or as per your requirement. Now what you can do is, you can pass multiple responses for this dynamic question or payment link. So suppose you can add a statement below, and if the payment is successful, the statement of success will be shown to the customer, and if the payment fails, the statement of the failed payment will be shown. That's all everyone, and about how Instagram shopping is set up using SmartBot. In case you have any doubt regarding the product or any feedback, please drop a mail at info@smartbot.com